getting things back to the way they were.
No, don't. How about I just leave?
Good. You leave and I return this stuff to the rightful owners.
What? Why?
Because we've angered the humans, and we don't want to end up like that rabbit. Hence, I'm giving this back so they won't kill us.
Vern, you don't understand. We need this stuff.
No, we don't.
You can't take it.
Yes, I can.
Let go.
You let go.
I have to have it. No. Vern, move slow. Keep your voice low and follow me.
What?
Shh.
No. Shh. No, I'm not falling for any more of your smooth talk. Oh, I don't know what you're up to, but my entire shell is tingling, and you know what? I'm listening to it this time, and I'm putting my foot down.
No. Play.
Huh? Oh.
Play. Play, play, play. Play, 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 play.
Ah! Ah!
Down, boys, then. Roll for it. Attaboy, Vern, save the food. I'll lose the dog.
Huh?
You're dropping all the food, man. Here, catch. Hurry. Look, food. Whoa. Look, people. Play with them. Look out.
I'm all right. I'm all right. It's okay.
Vern, unhook the chain. No. Kids.
Oh, boy.
Wow. Vern, I told you to unhook the chain.
No.
Garbage cans are not to be on the curb before 8.